Artificial intelligence is entering a new era. AI is no longer just answering questions. The newest generation of AI agents can research, analyze information, write reports, create presentations, automate workflows, and complete complex digital tasks that previously required hours of human work. Welcome back to AI Assets. Today, we are looking at one of the biggest shifts in artificial intelligence, the rise of AI agents that could completely transform how companies operate and how millions of people work. For years, AI was mainly a tool for generating text, images, and code. But AI agents are different. Instead of simply responding to a request, AI agents can understand goals, make decisions, use different software tools, and complete entire workflows with minimal human involvement. Imagine telling an AI agent, "Analyze my competitors, create a market report, prepare a presentation, and send it to my team." That is the direction this technology is moving. Companies like OpenAI, Microsoft, Google, Salesforce, and Anthropic are investing billions into creating AI systems that don't just assist workers, but actually perform tasks on their behalf. And this is why investors are paying very close attention. The investment opportunity is enormous. Microsoft is one of the biggest winners because its Copilot ecosystem connects AI directly into businesses using products like Office, Teams, and enterprise software. Nvidia remains at the center of this revolution because every powerful AI system requires massive computing power, advanced chips, and data centers. Google is also competing aggressively with Gemini AI, while companies like Salesforce and ServiceNow are building AI agents designed specifically for businesses. The companies that successfully monetize AI agents could become some of the biggest winners of the next decade. But there is something most people are missing. The biggest impact of AI agents may not be replacing entire jobs overnight. The bigger change could be that one person becomes capable of doing the work of an entire team. A small business owner could use AI agents for marketing, customer support, financial analysis, and administration. A software developer could manage more projects with AI helping write and test code. A financial analyst could research markets and prepare reports dramatically faster. This could create enormous productivity gains, but it also creates a major challenge. Companies that fail to adopt AI quickly could become less competitive, while workers who learn how to use AI effectively could become significantly more valuable. The future may not belong to humans versus AI. It may belong to humans who know how to work with AI. So what happens next? Investors should watch upcoming earnings reports from major technology companies and look closely at AI revenue growth, enterprise adoption, and comments about AI agent products. Pay attention to companies like Microsoft, Nvidia, Alphabet, Amazon, Salesforce, and ServiceNow. The key question is not whether AI agents are coming. They are already here. The question is, which companies will turn this technology into real profits? For investors, the biggest opportunities often appear before the market fully understands a major technology shift. AI agents could become one of the biggest transformations in business since the internet and mobile computing. The companies building the infrastructure and applications behind this revolution will shape the future of work. What do you think? Will AI agents become powerful tools that help workers, or will they eventually replace millions of jobs? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to AI Assets for daily insights on AI investing, technology, and the companies building the future. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.